Today I'm using my air fryer to make a delicious taco pizza. It starts with some flour tortillas. I spray each side and then I'm going to air fry this for 5 minutes. Try to go in there and flip it halfway through that cycle. And then when it's done, we need to do one more. Each pizza does need 2 of these tortillas. You can see by air frying them, they get nice and kind of rigid, so you can work with them a little more easily. Then, for one of the tortillas, I spread with some refried beans. This gives all the right flavors, plus it helps the 2 tortillas stick together to form a crust. The refried beans I use are they're kind of a salsa flavor, but use whatever kind you like the best. Layer another cooked tortilla on top of that and kind of just squeeze them together, and that is your crust for your pizza. Next, I like to sprinkle just a little bit of cheese on here. This is not going to be all the cheese on your pizza. It's just a little bit, and quite honestly, the number one reason for it is it helps keep the meat from rolling around. So this is about 1/3 cup of leftover taco meat, and I just spread this out. You can use as much or as little as you prefer, or no meat at all, if that's your preference. Then another layer of flavor is some taco sauce. Use the sauce and just sprinkle again as little or as much as you like. It really does create just a nice little burst of flavor as you're eating this pizza. And then is when I put on the bulk of the cheese. Nice and cheesy is always the way I like my pizza. Once that's ready to go, we're going to air fry this for 5 minutes at 350 degrees, which is conveniently the same cycle you used for the tortillas. After that 5 minutes is done, you have a nice little pizza with melted cheese, and it's all warm and pretty much ready to go. But you have to add the other pieces, more layers of taco flavors. So for my house, that is tomatoes and some lettuce. You can think through what are your favorite flavors in a taco. Some are going to be warm, some are going to be cold, and just kind of plan that out while you're making your pizza. I like a little bit of sour cream. And then for this size tortilla, I cut it into 4ths, and basically these are ready to go. These are a great way to repurpose leftover taco meat. They are kid friendly, they are family friendly, they are game day friendly. I hope you give them a try, because if you do, I know you'll love them.